Interesting developments in the state of Madhya Pradesh in Mao specifically, where Congress's Jai Bapu Jai Bhim rally in Mao. Khadge, Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will be addressing the rally, and the BJP already attacking the Congress party ahead of Congress's rally. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister visiting Mao ahead of Congress rally, and the CM of the state also saying Ambedkar's birthplace is a tourist spot for the opposition. Remember that also called in many ways parts of it as Dr. Ambedkar Nagar, where Congress makes a pitch for Jai Bhim but also adds Jai Bapu Jai Bhim.
ये तो तीर्थ स्थल है और इस तीर्थ स्थल पे तीर्थ की महत्ता तिथियों से होती है और आना ही है तो तिथियों पे आना चाहिए। बड़ा दुर्भाग्य के साथ कहना पड़ रहा है कि लोग अपने इवेंट की तरह से आते हैं, न कि कमिटमेंट की तरह से। बाबा साहब के जीवन में जिनने कष्ट दिए, जिनको चुनाव में कभी लड़ने नहीं दिया, उनके जीवन काल में सदैव कष्ट अगर आए तो किसी एक विशेष पार्टी से और उनके नेताओं से आए। आज सब अपनी जमीन खो करके वो इसको पर्यटन के केंद्र की तरह आ रहे। कोई बात नहीं, बाबा सद्बुद्धि दे, आने में तो कोई किसी को रोक नहीं है, लेकिन उम्मीद करूंगा कि बाबा साहब के साथ किए गए अन्याय को भी स्मरण करे, उनके जीवन के पक्षों से माफी मांगे जिसके कारण से बाबा साहब के साथ अन्याय हुआ।
Joining me now from Bhopal is my colleague Amritanshi Joshi. Amritanshi, good morning. Tell us more about this speech. What did they say and why is Jai Bapu Jai Bhim turned political and jibes and attacks?
So just a day ago, we celebrated our constitution, 76 years of our constitution. But a day after that, the birthplace of Baba Sahib Ambedkar Mahu is a place now where the political temperature have been risen. Particularly Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge, Priyanka Gandhi and all the big leaders from the AICC are visiting Madhya Pradesh, the birthplace of Baba Sahib Ambedkar in Mahu. This is a rally which is named after Jai Bapu Jai Jai Samvidhan rally, and also Congress have been constantly alleging BJP that BJP has insulted B.R. Ambedkar and BJP should apologize. And this big rally is being starting today in Mahu, where all the party leaders will be gathering. Also, Congress is saying that BJP should apologize Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and to the Constitution. But now BJP is saying that whenever the Gandhi family or the AICC leaders are visiting Mahu, they should first apologize. What have they done to B.R. Ambedkar and also to the party and the constitution? Now the Dalit vote bank, especially in Madhya Pradesh and all over the India, Congress and BJP are constantly behind this Dalit vote bank, and they have been focusing behind this vote bank. Also, a statement in the Lok Sabha by Amit Shah has been again and again taken over by the Congress party, and Congress party has been alleging and asking Amit Shah to firstly come to this Mahu place and ask Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Now Congress party will be gathering here today. They'll be starting a rally, and they'll be taking this rally all over the India, and also Congress party leaders will be attacking surely onto the BJP leaders. But recently BJP has played a Dalit card. The Chief Minister Mohan Yadav has named a bridge in Bhopal after the Ambedkar.
So clearly what you're telling us, Amritanshi, because I can see that both parties, BJP and Congress, are aiming for a certain group with regard to when it comes to the votes. However, for now, political jibes and attacks continue. Amritanshi, thank you very much for now. I'll come back to you in a short while.